That's a Jeffrey. Jeffrey smells like vanilla. There's a red flag high wind advisory on Highway 395, so we made an unexpected stop at the Convict Lake Campground. Stick around and I'll show you this place. Winds were predicted as high as the 40s. After checking though, it looks like it's only going to be in the 20s. But tomorrow it will be a little bit less as we drive through Lancaster and Palmdale, which was the part where we were a little concerned. First thing was a quick lunch idea, kind of throwing together bits of things we have in the refrigerator. Started out with some broccoli slaw, and then I had some Parmesan cheese left over, and then threw in, this is a mix that you get from Costco. It has nuts and cranberries in it, a couple big handfuls of that, some half a can of garbanzo beans, if you can see that, and then as a dressing, Costco sells this really good dressing. They don't sell it at all of their stores, but I don't know how to pronounce it either. It's Kewpie sesame dressing, something like that. And then mix that inside, and it's really yummy. One more ingredient that I forgot, these crispy onions. They come in different flavors. The trail around Convict Lake starts out paved, so it's a really nice smooth surface. Lots of fishing spots and gorgeous views. Here, and we're going to walk around the lake and back here. 3-mile loop trip. This is one of the few places in the Sierra where you actually see metamorphic rock. That's why I don't let John on camera. That's actually not true. He can come on camera if he wants to, but he's just kind of warming up to it. We were here, I think it was like June 1st or close to it, and you couldn't cross this stream right here without getting your feet wet. Now it's completely dry, and I'll try to find the video footage of that and insert it here so you can see the difference. No Superman on this one.
How about Batman?
No Batman.
How about Flash?
Watch out, you got a bad hip.
I do.
Got to get a hip operation. Now we can hear some water coming down from Mildred Lake. And this is the middle of September. Side of this pass, there's a trail that goes up, and there it drops you down onto the Mammoth Lake side of this. We are halfway to ice cream.
Okay, but here's my real height when I stand up.
That's why he doesn't
This
fit
is
in the
for
bed.
movies only.
That's why he doesn't fit in the bed. His feet hang over. Across the lake is the campground. You can just we can kind of barely make out our van. But it's just such a picturesque. Does that mean just one bear? We're back at the marina. Barbecues on the boats. That's over the top. Here is the price. Oh, I see they have packages. Here are the rental prices. Canoe, kayak, paddleboard, motorboats, pontoons. This resort, the Convict Lake Resort, is really well managed. They have a nice dump station here. No charge. And we're going over to a little store to get our ice cream. We also have really nice cottages that you can rent, and they do have Wi-Fi here, but only for guests of the cottage. Here's the general store. How many ways can you say Convict Lake on a hat? Food. If you forgot something, they've got it. But here is the most important part, the ice cream. What are you getting? Drumstick.
Big size.
Big size. Which flavor is that?
Chocolate.
Okay, I'm gonna get the same thing. Giant drumstick. And there's a little walking path that takes you from the store over back to the campground. There's a deer crossing the road. Deer up here are really tame. There are the restrooms at the campground. They do have running water. But across the street at the resort, there are showers that you can purchase, and there is a washer and dryer. So pretty much everything you need up here. Okay, always looking for something easy to make, especially at dinner time. So I'm gonna try something new. Picked up this dish, Parmesan pesto lentil pasta. It's supposed to be 18 grams of protein per serving. Man, it's windy out there. So we had some garbanzos left over from lunch, so I threw them in. We will see how this tastes. Okay, so this is the first taste, and it's an honest assessment.
A little bit of anisette or licorice in there.
You think so?
It's interesting. It's an interesting taste. It would really go well with Parmesan cheese on
Yeah,
top.
we don't have any.
Yeah.
So I talked John into trying it with the Olive Garden salad dressing, and it's much improved with it. He agrees. So that's a wrap for our day at Convict Lake. We're going to leave super early tomorrow, like 6 a.m., so we can get into the LA area before traffic hits us. And we're just going to finish our meal. Maybe I'll let him have a piece of chocolate, and then we're going to go for a walk and then hit the bed.